phakela, phakela, morning, motshegare, motshegare, day, maitsiboa, maitsiboa, afternoon, bosigo, bosigo, night or dark, bosigo gare, bosigo gare, midnight, nako ke mang, nako ke mang, what time is it, nako ke 2, nako ke 2, the time is 2, o tsogile jang, o tsogile jang, how have you risen, ke tsogile sentle, ke tsogile sentle, I have risen well, o robetse jang, o robetse jang, how did you sleep, ke robetse sentle, ke robetse sentle, I slept well, ga ke a tsoga sentle, ga ke a tsoga sentle, I did not sleep well, o tlhotse jang, o tlhotse jang, is your day well, ke tlhotse sentle, ke tlhotse sentle, I spend my day well, tlhola sentle, tlhola sentle, good afternoon, boroko, boroko, good night, robala sentle, robala sentle, sleep well. Some phrases you use will depend on the time of the day in which you are talking with someone. The phrases we will teach you in this lesson will be divided between phrases used in the mornings and phrases used in the afternoons and evenings.
Also, when asking someone the time, they will often phrase things in a way that may be unfamiliar to you. For instance, 1:30 is usually referred to as 1:30, and a time like 4:45 is often referred to as 4:45.
Now, let's practice some phrases. When asking someone the time, you say, what is the time? Nako ke mang? And in response, someone might say, the time is 1:30. Nako ke 1:30. Another response might be, nako ke 1:30.
The Setswana word for morning is phakela. Greetings in the morning usually ask about how you slept. For example, when being greeted in the morning, you will usually be asked, how did you rise? O tsogile jang? How did you sleep? O robetse jang? And if you slept well, you would reply, I rose well. Ke tsogile sentle. I slept well. Ke robetse sentle. Or if you did not sleep well, you could reply, I did not rise well. Ga ke a tsoga sentle. We will cover more of all negations when you arrive to pre-service training.
The Setswana word for afternoon is motshegare. In the afternoons and evenings, greetings often change into asking people how their day has been. For example, you might be asked, how did you spend your day? O tlhotse jang? And you could reply, I spent my day well, thank you. Ke tlhotse sentle, ke a leboga. In saying goodbye to someone at any time of the day, you can say, good afternoon, tlhola sentle.
The Setswana word for evening is maitsiboa. And after dark, the word is bosigo. And when you want to bid someone a good night, you can do this by saying, sleep well, robala sentle. Or an informal way of saying this is night boroko. Now let's review the material by having short conversation from previous times of the day. Phakela, nako ke mang?
nako ke 7:30.
O tsogile jang?
Ke tsogile sentle.
Motshegare, nako ke mang?
1:45.
O tlhotse jang?
Ke tlhotse sentle, ke a leboga.
Maitseboa, nako ke mang?
Go bosigo gare.
Robala sentle.
Boroko.